Hey y'all, it's me, Brandon from Fantastic Chair, back with another video. Today I'm going to be demonstrating using my Dyson dryer. I did a video of the unboxing of the dryer. I also did a review of the dryer. If you haven't checked those videos out, I'll leave them in the cards so you can check those. They're very informative, go over a lot of information regarding the dryer. So if you want any more information about them, make sure you check out my other videos. We're going to get started using this dryer. So I have my hair, so I washed my hair, conditioned and deep conditioned it. And I just braided it up, like I didn't part it or anything. Usually when I wash my hair in half. So I wash like this side first, let it get under the water, wash it, put the conditioner in, and I wash the other side. So my hair is already kind of sectioned in half when I wash it, so it makes it a little bit easier when I did these braids. They're not really neat or anything at all. I was just preparing my hair to stretch it out. Y'all, so I just took my hair halfway down and I realized there's a fan on. So if you guys heard the fan in the background, charge it to my head and not my heart, because I don't know what I was doing, why I had that. Taking down the braids and I realized my hair is kind of damp on the inside of the braids. I was expecting it to be a little bit more dry. So what I'm going to do is make sure everything is detangled nice and neat, and then I'm going to go in with the Dyson and start stretching my hair out so you guys can see exactly how the machine operates. So I just sprayed a little bit of heat protectant on my hair. I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of trying to decide if I'm going to use the dryer on what heat set I'm going to use the dryer on. I was thinking initially when I thought my hair was completely dry that I was going to use it on the no heat setting, but I'm thinking I'm going to use it on the one. So I just want to make sure my hair is still protected while I'm using any heat on it. I need to get my ends cut again. That crunch. So my hair is pretty much detangled right now. Just do a couple little kinkity kinks. Make sure everything's out. Everything's everything. Like Lauryn Hill said. Woo. Woo. All right, so we have the dryer here. You guys have seen it before if you've seen my other videos. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty. I got a cabinet and it has dust inside, and it was inside of on the dust. Yikes. So I got my dryer here. As you've seen before in my other videos, the unboxing and the review. So I'm gonna get started using it. Like I said, I sprayed a little bit of heat protectant on my hair before I'm using this dryer. I think I'm only gonna use it on the lowest heat setting, so I might not need it, but I'm always just really cautious about heat. Although I don't put enough heat in my hair to really damage it, so why does it even matter? But I was just using the beyond the zone, turn up the heat. I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna start at my end. Like I said, I have it on the highest air setting and the lowest heat setting. So I'm gonna get drying. All right, so I do hit this section. It feels completely dry now. There's no moisture in it at all. And as you can see, she's blowing out pretty good. I mean, it's a good amount of stretch. So you can see what my hair is looking like without it being blown out. Just a natural stretch from braiding it. And then this is the stretch with the Dyson on the lowest heat setting. Whoa, no, yeah, the lowest This is the Dyson on the lowest heat setting and the highest speed. So that's what it's giving me. This is my hair is 4C. Might be some little parts in there that's 4B, but my hair is 4C. So as you can see what it's giving, baby. Get into it. All right. So let's just do an experiment. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not? I think on this front section, I'm gonna do it without any heat. So I'm gonna do this one without any heat and see how this one turns out. So I'm gonna make sure again my hair is detangled before I start drying it so we can see what it's gonna give. So this is gonna be section high fast speed and low fast speed and no heat. Fast speed and no heat. This section doesn't feel quite as wet as the back section did. I really hate detangling my hair when it's dry. And I wish I would have did a better job of detangling it when I was washing it. But it is what it is. So this is what it's giving with no heat. So it is still stretching it out pretty good. Almost the same I would say as with heat, with the normal dryer. So this is a no heat blowout. My hair is blown out completely. There's no kink to my hair at all. And this was done with no heat. No heat at all. So I'm gonna keep doing it without the heat. No heat blowout. All right, let's keep going. I'll be back when I have everything done. Peace. All right, everybody, I'm back. I have my hair blown out. Like I said, I didn't use any heat for this. I feel the coils a little bit at my root. And I think that's just from me not using heat. So we'll get into styling. I'm gonna get my hands clipped up. See all that white in between my hair? That needs to be cut off. That's why my hair is tangling so doggone bad.